go. Yep, before I put the new door on, that hinge right there, that one that I'll zoom in on, had to have new pin bushings put in it and readjusted and put the return spring back on it. Then I did some cut-in paint, close it up, make the deal a little sweeter. Got the door hung. Now I got to start setting the gaps here and here. Pretty sure this is going to come out pretty good because I got all this cab leveled up. Yeah, it's going to be good. I like that door. I had to pull the door back off because when I went to set the bolts for the hinges, they were 3/8 by 24. Well, guess what? This door, 3/8 by 16 course. Had to pull it all back off and redo it again. So much fun. Setting the gaps on these isn't that easy. Let me show you what I mean. Top of the door comes in, comes out, in, out. Then it'll shift this way to this way. Then you got the bottom that does the same thing and kicks in and out. I'll be at this for a while. Well, here we go. Got it all put back on. Let's just see how well it closes. I like it. I like it. Not too shabby. Well, look at them door gaps. Across here is nice. I gotta go that way a little bit. And then down here, it's just about even all the way down. Still got a little bit of shimming done. But man, what a difference this has made.